Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that make your beauty and self-care routines smarter, easier, and more effective. If keeping your smile fresh and your gums healthy is something you struggle with, you're going to want to stick around. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that bell so you never miss an honest review from us. Today, we're looking at the Philips Sonicare Power Flosser Quad Stream Tips, a 2-pack in white, model HX30620. These are replacement tips designed for your Philips Sonicare Power Flosser, engineered to help you clean effectively between your teeth and along the gum line with precision. These quad stream tips concentrate water into 4 wide streams, which helps flush out debris and plaque in hard-to-reach areas. Each pack includes 2 tips, and for optimal performance, Philips recommends replacing them every 6 months. They are compatible with any Philips Sonicare Power Flosser, making them a versatile addition to your oral care routine. Using them was straightforward. The tips attach securely to my Sonicare flosser, and the quad stream design really does make a noticeable difference. Water reaches areas that a traditional flosser or manual floss often misses, especially along the gum line. The pressure is strong yet gentle, which is ideal for sensitive gums. I found the tips easy to switch out, and the cleaning experience felt efficient and precise, saving a bit of time compared to standard flossing. On the positive side, these tips are easy to use, effective, and compatible with multiple flosser models. They make a real difference in gum health and give a thorough clean between teeth. On the downside, they are consumables, so you'll need to replace them every 6 months, which adds ongoing cost, and you may need to get used to the water pressure if you've never used a power flosser before. In terms of value, the pricing is reasonable given the specialized design and the noticeable improvement in cleaning efficiency. If you compare them to other replacement tips on the market, Philips Quad Stream tips are competitively priced and backed by a trusted brand in oral care. The build quality is solid, the nozzles feel durable and well-made, and they attach securely without any leaks. Philips engineering ensures a consistent stream of water over time, so you don't have to worry about losing effectiveness before the 6-month mark. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't had to contact customer support for these tips, Philips has a strong reputation for responsive service, so you can feel confident if any issues arise. There are no notable updates for this product beyond the recommendation to replace every 6 months, so you can rely on its performance as designed. If you're looking for alternatives, other flosser tip brands exist at lower price points, but the Quad Stream tips deliver a unique water coverage pattern that is hard to match, making them worth the investment if you prioritize a superior clean. Overall, the Philips Sonicare Power Flosser Quad Stream tips excel at delivering a thorough, easy-to-use, and gentle clean. They're particularly suited for anyone looking to improve gum health and remove debris more effectively than traditional flossing. The main trade-off is the replacement schedule, but for the results they deliver, it's a small inconvenience. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to purchase the product can be found in the comments or description box. If you've used these tips, drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.